Now let's see another important help command, that is help itself. Help will show you some more description apart from the man or info. So whatever the information you want to see, you can just see it when you type the help command. It will show you the shell commands or define internally. Type help to see the list. Use info bash and man minus k and all this information you can see about this, and it has been listed all the different commands that are available in the help command. So just help, and if you want to access this specific, if you want to know about this shopt command, just give that and it will give you the description about that. Apart from that, we also have another command that is called as whatis. Whatis will give you the short description of that specific command. For example, when you type whatis, it says what is what. I wanted to know what is grep, so it gives you a short description showing like grep l, print lines matching a pattern, or grep lp, such a file for a specific pattern, right? And in the same way, if I want to find what is find the command, so it says like search for files in a directory, hierarchy, and it says like the find files. So it based on your decision or your call what exactly you are looking for. If you want a really the big description, and if you want to study the entire command, you can go and use man, or if you want to have the minimum description, go for mini info, or you can also search for what is, if you want to get the description, small description of it. Okay, and this way we can use all different help commands. So just I want to recap what are the different help commands that we have. The first one we discussed about man, the second one we discussed about info, the third one we discussed about help, and the fourth one we discussed about is what is. Okay, so in this way we can work on help commands. So if you are very much good about this work, the help commands, so you almost learned the Unix. So this will give you the entire information with syntaxes and everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. So if you do like this videos, kindly please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more updates.